Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your job offers with Glassdoor, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to Glassdoor's website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Log into your Glassdoor account. Start by researching companies in your industry. Use the search bar to find specific companies or explore by category. Read company reviews to understand their culture and values. Take notes on aspects that resonate with you. Next, look at salary information for positions you are interested in. Compare salaries across similar companies to determine your market value. Update your Glassdoor profile to include your job title and skills. Add a professional photo to make your profile more appealing. Write a concise and compelling professional summary. Highlight your key accomplishments and experiences. Make sure your skills section includes both hard and soft skills. Utilize Glassdoor's job search feature to find openings that match your profile. Set up job alerts for relevant positions to stay informed. After applying for jobs, look for insider tips and company insights. Use the interview section to read about candidates' experiences. Prepare for interviews by reviewing commonly asked questions and tips shared by others. Follow up on your applications within a week if you haven't heard back. Consider increasing your network through Glassdoor's job seekers community. Engage with other job seekers to share experiences and advice. Finally, regularly update your profile as you gain new experiences and skills. This will keep your account active and more appealing to recruiters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.